Yo, what's up, everyone? We're gonna take a look at the trades I took this week. We're gonna start with the trades that I took previous week, but I closed this week because I hold over weekends. We'll start with US 30, which I held through weekend, and as you can see, the opening gap uh, hit my TP. The same goes for Euro AUD, which let me close this. Which had this strong support right here. Okay, bro, like now everything is gonna open. Strong support right here and resistance right here, but at where's New Week? Okay, bro. This Monday. I'm not sure. Doesn't matter, but yeah, opening gap pretty much went straight to TP. But I could have held this for longer. But yeah, I'm fine with 1 to 2. Then we got your chef, which yeah, as well, opening up to TP. Then we had one loss on GBP chef, which I actually closed around here, which I think I did a mistake because I wanted to cut my loss like not over to 1%, but I think I closed for 0.3 or something like that. But what I should have waited for is there was news on Friday, I think it was GDP. Friday, yeah, which came out bearish, and I think I should have waited for that because you can see it kind of melt GBP, and I could have closed like break even, but it is what it is. And yeah, so then this week I took UJ, which was really nice trade, and yeah, this was a limit order right here at this demand right here, but as you can see, there was a better entry for it, but still 1 to 2. And then I don't think, let me check my MT5. I don't think I took any more trades. Yeah, yeah, just these. So pretty good week for me. But we can take a look at the trades that I could have taken, but I didn't, and why I didn't. First UJ, not as strong of break. I would have like really strong break, then retest. Cat never really came to my zone where I wanted it. And as the cat, to be honest, this was definitely a trade I should have took, because as you can see, I did ABR or low time frame head and shoulders. We did had low time frame head and shoulders right here, and it's actually good that I didn't took it, because maybe if I took it here on this bearish close, that with my stop loss about the right shoulder, I would have been out. But if I entered on this engulfing, which is usually my entry, like engulfing candle, with stop loss right here, oh, that would have been actually really good trade. Yeah, for 1 to 2, somewhere right here. So that was definitely a good trade to take. Also, there was another entry like from this support. We broke through, then retest, entry, stop loss, and just 1 to 2. But it is what it is. Then we had NZD Chef never broke through. NZD USD. I did say it is not my favorite, but fundamentally it was right, and as you can see, it did play it out. There, this is my analysis Monday. So we had entry on Tuesday. So what could have been my entry is like we have this, and then it retested right here and engulfing right here, and stop this plus 5 pips, so like somewhere here. And yeah, 1 to 2 right here. Clinch rate, also higher time frame, just, and this engulfing would have been also nice, like this. And yeah, or maybe even like somewhere around here, stop loss, these highs. Yeah, but it was just a nice trade to took. Fundamentally, obviously, because the trend was kinda, yeah, but like any entry would have hit TP. Because the trend is shifting right now. So maybe I'll look for another trade in the next week. Then we had AUDJPY, which I initially, this is not what I wanted took, but let me just delete this, delete this, this. And what we had is this strong resistance right here. Yeah. And it broke through right here. I had marked up that 30-minute break retest. I think I deleted the text. Yeah, this goes all the way here. So I had marked up like 30-minute break retest, but I just didn't like this break. I wanted something like here and then retest. But yeah, it was definitely valid to take it here. And stop loss would be this plus 5 pips, I think. Somewhere around here. Oh. And TP 1 to 2 would not get hit still. So yeah, it depends where would my stop loss be. Maybe I would just took it like here and plus 5 pips, which is uh somewhere around here. And this would actually be 1 to 2. So yeah, but it was definitely valid to take. But I just didn't like the break retest. Then we had Eurocat, which was also very nice trade to take because first of all, we made a nice retracement. I think it was even, let me check. Yeah, very nice retracement to this area of interest. I think it's weekly or daily, somewhere around there. And then on the 30-minute, just wait. I gotta find what's my entry point. Whoa, what am I doing? So my entry is down here. Oh yeah, now I know. So we had this accumulation right here. So we broke retest engulfing and stop loss above plus 5 pips. Fuck, I keep moving it. And yeah, clean 1 to 2. This was definitely like one of my favorite trades that I should have took. This and NZD CAD or NZD USD. Then we had GBP USD, which I also didn't took, cause I don't know. I think I wasn't just at the charts, but it was definitely valid. Let me see my entry model. What was my entry model? Fuck, why do I keep moving it? I don't know why my entry's up there. Maybe it's just 4 hour and oh bro. Maybe it's just a 4 hour. No, it's not. The fuck is my entry? I do not know. So let me delete this and let me actually find a valid entry that I would take. Yeah, I already said. This accumulation, break, retest, short right here, engulfing candle, stop loss, this accumulation plus 5 pips, no 6, 7. like that. And then TP 1 to 2, so somewhere around here. Clean, definitely valid, should have taken this. And that is everything from this week. So yeah, definitely could have made more percentage, but I'm happy with my 3.6 or something, 3.6 or something like that. And yeah, I'll see you all tomorrow.